But let's track this system. Hour by hour forecast here. Between 8 to 9 a.m., we will start to see a transition from rain over to snow. By 3 o'clock, I expect pretty much everyone to have seen a full switch over to snow. And then we continue on with fairly intense snow from 4 p.m. continuing on until around 9 o'clock. These snowfall rates are going to be highest closer to the lake shore's edge, but because of our strong winds, we are going to push a lot of this lake-enhanced snow inland. As we head into the evening hours tonight, that system clears out of here, but we will continue to see lake effect snow throughout your Thanksgiving. And where we see our traditional northwesterly band set up, that's where we expect some of the highest snowfall totals, of course. Here's a glance at our snowfall map. We expect about 5 to 7 inches of snow closer to the US 10 corridor and an additional 5 to 7 inches of snowfall extended through portions of southern Ottawa County, Allegan County, and down into Kalamazoo. Even parts of Kent County could be clipped by 3 to 5 inches of snow when things are all said and done. We have a secondary system that looks to build in early Saturday morning. This is widespread system snow bringing everybody impacts. While impacts will be very localized over the next 48 hours, that will not be the case with this system. Rolling statewide with accumulating snowfall anywhere from 3 to 6 inches coming down by the time we reach early Sunday morning.